Hello mga igsoon, ako day si Kuya Neil, ana po ko'y gamay nga pulo nga i-share kaninyo karong adlaw. Usahay ang delay dili problema, kundi ang atong kasing-kasing nga dili kapalo muhulat. Gusto daig promotion, gusto daig ma-answer ang prayer, ang relasyon nga ma-okay, pero patience isn't passive, it's an active trust. Psalm 27 verse 14 says, "Wait patiently for the Lord." Naitulo ka pamaagi to stay calm when things are delayed. Number 1, delay is not a denial. God's not yet is still a yes. Ayaw huna-hunaa nga tungod kay wala pa, wala na gyud. God's not yet is still part of His perfect yes. Habakkuk 2:3 says, "Though it tarries, wait for it, it will surely come." Number 2, grow while you wait. Ang purpose sa delay, dili para pasakitan ka, kundi para andamon ka. James 1:4 says, "Let patience have its perfect work." Number 3, trust His timing. Hulat lang, giandam o gihanay na niya ang tanan, mauayaw pagdali-dali. Ecclesiastes 3:11 says, "He has made everything beautiful in its time." You're not being punished, you're being prepared. Salig lang, ayaw pagdali. Og mora ka to, bye-bye.